Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is diversity, chapter 1 in Civics class 6. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. India has about 22 languages. Second, Kerala is known for its answer is both A and B. 3. The phrase unity is diversity was coined by Jawaharlal Nehru. 4. Ladakh is famous for its Pashmina wool. Fill in the blanks. There are about 8,800 languages in India, of which 22 languages are recognized by the Indian Constitution officially. 2. The people of Ladakh wear warm clothes throughout the year. 3. Very little agriculture is possible in Ladakh due to the scarcity of water. 4. Kerala is also referred to as God's own country. Okay students, C. Match the columns. Kerala, coconut. Persians, Zoroastrianism. 3. Ladakh, little Tibet. 4. Chinawala. Answer fishing nets. Okay student, I have done some question in book. After that question answer D, E and F, G in notebook. Diversity. Answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. Define diversity. Diversity is the recognition of the variety of cultures, languages, religions and traditions that exist in a society. 2. What is meant by linguistic diversity? Answer. Linguistic diversity is the refers to the many different languages and dialects spoken in a region or country. E. Answer the following question in 50 to 70 words. First, how does Indian exhibit unity in diversity? Answer. India has always been a mixture of different languages and cultures. It exhibits unity in diversity in the following ways. People belonging to various caste, regions, languages and color work together for the betterment of the country. F. Answer the following questions in 80 to 100 words. How is the cultural life of a place shaped by its geography? Answer. Geographic conditions determine the food pattern, clothing pattern, culture and economic activities of a region. For example, people living in the Himalayas region will wear warm clothes. Local plants and animals will form the daily diet and wool is their main source of earning. Second question. Write about the geographical and cultural diversity of India. Answer. India is a country known for its remarkable geographical and cultural diversity. They can be described as follows. Answer. Geographical diversity. India's geographical diversity is striking with landscape ranging from to varying Himalaya peak in the north to west, coastal plains in the south. The third desert is the west contrasts with the lush, fertile, Gangestic plains in the north central region. To the east, the mighty Brahmaputra river flows. Cultural diversity. India is the birthplace of several major religions including Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. It is also home to one of the world's largest Muslim populations. Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Durga Puja are just a few examples of the myriad celebration that take place throughout the year. Cultural expression. India's diverse culture expression extend to literature, philosophy, architecture, and more ancient texts like the Vedas and the epics Ramayana and Mahabharata continue to shape thought and belief system. Think and answer. National integrity lies in unity. Do you agree with the statement? Give reason to support your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree because national integrity is bond and togetherness between people regardless of their religion or gender. It helps to keep the country unified. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.